Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video today. Hi guys, how are you doing? So this is another reaction video to the PARO DEEZ TV snippet parodies and voiceover dubs that he or she does. Someone talked about the channel, I reacted to a video from it, and I was like, oh my god, these are actually funny. So this next one that was given to me, we spoke about to person is Janet Jackson asks Beyonce for mother advice. I'm curious to see how that's gonna go.
Hi, Beyonce. I hope you're doing okay. I know I don't call you too often. It's so good to hear from you, Miss Janet. What do you need? Because I do have things to do. And that's exactly why I don't call your ass. Especially not without my lawyers on the phone. But you know what? I need a favor. On some real shit. You know I don't ask for too much. Girl, how much do you need? Bitch, what? Don't even try it, because you know me and Saeed, or whatever the hell his name is, will shut you and Jay-Z ass down. Now, that's not what the hell I called to talk to you about. So, I need to know where the hell you bought Blue Ivy from. I don't mean no harm, Miss Janet, but
The shade.
because I promise you they won't bust you like I'll bust you with your old ass. The fuck you calling old? The oldest thing on me is the damn ground, okay? You know Jay-Z about up there with me, so stop. Now listen, I need to know where the fuck you got that damn baby from, bitch. Because I'm not finna fuck up my body. I'm getting old as hell. JJ, if you wanted some motherly advice, all you had to do was ask. In a nice way. You know what? I want to know why nobody called me. You know I be having my little baby all over the world. I be having that little motherfucker swimming. I'm about to have his little ass in Zumba. And just wait till he turns 3, okay? And you want to ask this raggedy Beyonce bitch about some motherly advice, Mama Janet?
No.
Well, the damn baby don't look like you or Future, so Janet, you might want to holler at this bitch. Beyonce, you are so motherfucking not funny, bitch. When my man fucks me good, I'm not gonna take his ass to no damn Red Lobster, okay? That's some cheap shit. I'm thinking more of a Houston's, so why don't you step your weight up? And, we all know you and Jay-Z on the rocks like a margarita, bitch. No salt, no shade. Well, quite personally, I think that the whole diet lemonade bullshit is a marketing scam. What are your thoughts, Riri? Can I buy a vowel and a fuck to give, please? An end to the bullshit. Don't ask me about it. I know goddamn Ren and Stimpy better shut the fuck up. I've been waiting to run into this Rihannasaurus Rex looking bitch. You know, all this hype you've been getting is called fucking your way to the top. You crack bitch. You're fucking your way to the bottom, okay? You a basic bitch no matter how many fans you have, and it's Miss Wilson to you, now worth $100 million. Oh, that's quite cute for you, sis. Bitch, whose side you on? Your true face, true chin. Me and my man are doing just fine. You damn right, we playing the hell out of all y'all asses, and y'all eating it up. Did you ask him about Rihanna? Did he fuck her? That's all I want to know, bitch. I said baby with the good
No.
not with the dry roots, okay? My man never touched that skeleton. You know what, Rihanna? I did have to give you your props at the Billboard Awards. You know, the ones that I hosted, bitch.
She did such a good job that night.
You finally learned how to sing live. Sierra girl, please call and let me know next time you come for me in a Prius. Rihanna, you are so cute, girl. In a motherfucking Jurassic Park kind of way, okay? You better off having Dracula put a ring on your finger, ho. You got that? I don't know if y'all think this is the view, but y'all can't afford me right now. Mama Janet, you know what? Sierra's on the T. There's a reason I haven't called you since the BET Awards last year, okay?
Ooh.
And Beyonce, girl, I'm sorry, who are the other two? Oh, Miss Janet, you're so funny, bitch. Oh, I fuck with you no matter what Madonna say. Rwanda, is that you, girl? If you're here to bring me back some of my influence, I don't want it, okay? Bitch, you needed me. I haven't seen you in person, but I loved you in Pitch Perfect. I mean, Fat Amy was such a funny character. I'll play along as if you don't know me. Google best-selling artist, it might help. Fuck out of here, bitch. Oh, Beyonce, bitch, you know crowds these days are treating me like Michael Jackson. No offense, Janet, I mean. Excuse me, Jigglypuff? You might want to keep my brother's name from coming out
Not
of your mouth.
Jigglypuffs.
Like good live vocals, bitch. Just so you all know, I am re-releasing my album. I am Sasha Fierce. That's right, in stores soon. I ain't doing shit different to it. I'm not changing none of the motherfucking songs. I don't give a damn. I know it ain't gonna make no difference because Beehive gonna buy that shit up anyway. And I love money.
Yes,
Bitch, don't
yes.
nobody give a fuck. You give us the same thing every year anyway. It's obvious you're trying to compete with me now. Oh, Rihanna, my child. Bitch, I got as many Grammys as you done had abortions, ho. And your man pay for 'em all, bitch. Well, everyone knows I'm working on my next project, right? My new album. I'm gonna have all types of crazy producers on this one. I'm gonna be writing all the songs. I'm gonna be playing all the instruments. I'm gonna have little baby little baby Russell playing the drums. I'm gonna be doing it all myself. I can't wait.
God,
Oh my gosh.
the audience
girl, I got some tools in
reaction.
the car. Hang it up. No, fuck your tools. You hammerhead shark looking motherfucker. I can't stand you for real, for real. Ooh, the shade. Miss Janet, you gonna have to excuse my children. You know what, Beyonce? It's obvious you're not gonna give me the information I need. You know I done told these people I was pregnant. Now I gotta figure out another way. Don't ask me for nothing. But the best I can do is send something to your baby shower. I mean, I don't know, Janet. One day maybe Blue Ivy and your baby can Skype or something, you know? No, fuck that. I don't want my baby nowhere near your baby, okay? I'm gonna have my baby whip your baby's ass, alright? How about that? All of you make-believe Cinderella bitches are worried about the wrong thing. You can go sweep the kitchen floor with that one. I'm gonna sweep the Grammys, bitch. To this day, more and more people are fucking with my anti-album. You know you that bitch when you can make the sale of lemonade increase. Bitch, I'm getting to the money. Sounds good. Just remember, I'm getting a cut of all y'all money some kind of way. I'm the queen of pop. Goodbye. Mama Janet, I will not talk to you all later. Well, hold on now, Goodbye. This stupid old bitch always doing this to me. She gonna call right back. Why? Girl, finish your life.
No, finish your life. Oh my god. PARO DEEZ TV. Oh my god. I can't. This is too much. It's too much with these ladies. Queens of pop and R&B. I love it. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do. It is. You really do remind me of Got to Be Real. And I think This Is Mac TV. I wonder if they're the same person, but PARO DEEZ did such a good job. I like it. It's very funny. Now, for everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.